Welcome to the newest episode in the Adulting 101 series, How to Pack a Suitcase. Getting ready for a trip is a stressful time, and everyone has their own method. Do you start packing weeks before, making lists of things to bring as you go? Or are you packing the day of, scrambling to remember all the things you'll need while you're away? There's really no wrong way to pack for a trip, but here are some tips to make things easier. When you're preparing for a trip, one of the best ways to select what makes the cut and what doesn't is to consider your itinerary and destination. Is it going to be a rainy weekend hike or a trip to the beach? Take some time to gather all the things you think you'll need and then put about half of them back. If you're the kind of person who tends to overpack, this is going to be an important step. Remember, you only have a finite amount of space in your bag. You've got to make the most of it. Select outfits that can be mixed and matched. Stay in similar color families so you can interchange tops and bottoms and potentially get more wears from less clothing. Generally, you'll want more tops than bottoms because you're more likely to need to change out a top to dress something up or down or recover from a stain. There's a ton of debate about how to pack your clothing in the most efficient way and avoid wrinkles. A combination of both folding and rolling your clothes may be the best way to utilize space in a small bag. You may want to carefully fold items that are stiffer, like dress pants, or items that are more prone to wrinkles when rolled. While rolling softer fabrics, like jeans and t-shirts, will help you to use every last inch of space you have. Strategize. Put those softer rolled up items in the bottom of your suitcase, creating a cushion for your next layer of folded items. When layering in your pants and skirts, alternate where the waistband sits so you don't end up with a bulky spot of all the thickness piled together. Try to be smart about the way you pack your bag. Pack the items you'll need first, last, so that you will be able to easily access them once you get to your destination. Think of packing as a puzzle. You want to use all the space you have. If you are bringing clean and unsmelly shoes, use your shoes to pack smaller items like sunglasses or socks into. Pack well-loved shoes in a resealable plastic bag so germs or dirt don't get onto your clean clothes. Pack your toiletries in resealable bags as well to avoid staining clothes in case of leaks. Take time to decide what you need to bring and pack like a pro. And wherever you are headed, enjoy the trip.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.